Good evening, friends. Welcome to the post market update. What a week for the Indian markets, as the Nifty and Sensex both closed above 4% for the week, making it the best week for 2012 so far. During the day, Nifty opened down by around 15 to 17 points and plunged even more on account of weak Euro market opening. However, the last 1.5 hours saw some very good movement as Nifty recovered all its losses and managed to close well above its previous close, up by around 18 to 20 points. On the global front, European markets did open on a slightly negative basis as Italy announced some weak industrial output numbers, and also Spain has been downgraded by Spain's credit outlook has been downgraded by Fitch. On stock specific movement, Larsen and Toubro was up around 2% today as it continued to win orders, the latest being a rupees 483 crore order it won from Qatar. Further, Yes Bank was up around 2% today as it signed a collaborative deal with Malaysia's Exim Bank, which would enhance trade between the two countries. Then India Cements was down by around 5% today as media reports suggested that the MD, Mr. Srinivasan, has been called by the CBI for investing in Mr. Jagan Reddy promoted companies. So the stock was down around 5% today. Infra companies like Reliance Infrastructure and IVRCL were up by around 5% today as Mr. Manmohan Singh, our Prime Minister, yesterday set deadlines and targets for infra companies to revive growth. Aviation sector also saw some very smart movement today as stocks like SpiceJet and Jet Airways were up around 5% and 8% respectively. Coming to sectors, the top sectors for today were capital goods and realty, whereas the losing sectors for today were consumer durables and IT. The top gainers for today were GAIL, Sterlite, Larsen and Bale, whereas the top losers for today were Maruti, Infosys, ONGC and Bajaj Auto. On the rupee dollar front, rupee was trading at around 55.43 levels, down by around 0.88%. Friends, in the coming month, we have a few important events like the Greece elections, which are to be announced, which are to be held in mid-June, and also the monetary policy, which is to be held on 18th June. Any rate cuts by the RBI could be a positive trigger for banking stocks, so we should wait and watch for that. That's it, friends, on the post market update. Thank you and have a nice day.